Today we're talking comfort food with my Lazy Cooks biscuit. You may know them as either Butter Swim Biscuits or Butter Dip Biscuits, but I like to call them the Lazy Cooks biscuits because they're so easy to make. You will love how easily you can get some delicious biscuits made with this recipe. Now they're not going to be like the kind your grandma made. They don't require you to use a pastry cutter. They don't require you to make rounds. That's what's so wonderful about them. You're going to bake them in either an 8-inch or a 9-inch square pan, and they're going to come out in squares. You'll get all the flavor of a biscuit without the bother. The ingredients we're going to use to make these biscuits are simple and readily accessible. You're going to love the fact that you probably have all the ingredients in your pantry already. We're starting with 1 stick of unsalted butter in a square, either 8-inch or 9-inch square ceramic or glass pan. And you want to choose ceramic or glass because we're cooking in a hot oven today, 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we don't want the butter that's in this pan to brown. We want to have nice, golden, delicious biscuits. We're also using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour that I carefully measured, 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 3/4 cups of either buttermilk or a buttermilk substitute. Today, I'm using a buttermilk substitute, and to make it, I took 2 cups of whole milk, I removed 2 tablespoons of that milk, and I replaced the 2 tablespoons with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, but you could in fact use bottled lemon juice. I set it aside, and now I have very, very thick buttermilk substitute. No need for me to run to the grocery store today. To get started, I have my baking dish with my 1 stick of butter in my microwave melting. I want nice hot butter in the bottom of the pan. The oven is preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to mix together all of my ingredients. So to the 2.5 cups of flour, I'm going to add my 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, my 1.5 teaspoons of salt, my 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm going to whisk them together so that they're well combined. Just a whisk, 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 whisk. Now to the dry mixture, I'm going to add my 1 3/4 cups of either buttermilk or buttermilk substitute all at once. And in this stage of the making of these biscuits, you just want to combine your wet and dry ingredients until they come together. If you overmix, you'll have tough, gooey biscuits. Once all the dry bits have been incorporated into the batter, retrieve the baking dish from the microwave. I'm just going to take a little piece of paper towel and bring the butter up the sides of the pan, just to grease the pan. And I'm going to spread this batter evenly in the pan. Doesn't matter if some of the butter comes up the sides. And then I like to take a butter knife and I'm going to cut these biscuits into shape. So I'm going to do a 3x3 cut. Just run your knife through the batter and they're ready to go into the 450 degrees preheated oven for approximately 20 minutes till they're golden brown and it's all bubbly around the sides. Biscuits will come out of the oven browned on the edges and golden on the top. After you've let your biscuits cool a bit, you want to take a knife and score where you previously scored the batter when you put it in, before you put it into the oven. Then let's see how they came out. Falling apart deliciousness. It's so buttery. And the way that I love to serve these is with soupy things, stew, chili. And I like to break off a little piece and then dunk it into my meal.